Hello, good morning to all. Hello, can you hear me?
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Very good morning, very good morning. Very good morning, guys. How are you all? Everyone doing good? Okay, so we have test, quiz test. Are you guys ready for that?
Obviously, of course, I'm always ready.
Yes, correct. So Joshua and Jason, did you learn all the formulas?
Not all, sir. Studying some.
So I learned
Okay,
most of
okay.
the formulas. I didn't learn everything.
You learn all the things.
No, I didn't learn everything. Only most of the
You
formulas.
learn. You learn all the things, all formulas, na?
No, no, sir.
So how many you learn?
Maybe like 4 or 5.
Only 5 formulas per day.
Sir, I'm trying.
Hmm? This is too slow, na? Okay, so we'll take quiz फटाफट लेते हैं, okay, and then we'll start the class. So yeah, um, so now my first for first what first? Yeah, so I'll make a team A and team B. Okay, so I will tell the team structure like that. Yesterday same, okay. Ira, Chashron, Miracle, and Patrick, Joshua, and Bethia. Okay. Now, first question is I'll ask from Jashron. Jashron, what is the formula for sine square theta plus cos square theta?
Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1.
Okay, correct. So, 2 marks. Now I will ask this question from Joshua. Joshua, what is the formula for cos x square theta minus 1?
So cos x square theta minus. Is it sec square theta?
Can I answer? Can I answer?
No, no, you can help. First, try to give hint.
Okay, so basically, remember the formula. Can I tell the formula to you? Okay, so formula 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cos x square theta. Okay, so cos x square theta minus
Now don't tell. You
So,
just give a look.
so what was the question?
cos x
Cos x
square
square theta minus 1.
minus 1.
So it'll be cot square theta.
Yes, correct. Joshua, try to remember the formula, please. Okay. Now I will ask this question from Miracle. Miracle, what is the answer of sec theta minus 1, sec theta plus 1? Miracle. What is the answer of? What is the answer of sec theta minus 1, sec theta plus 1?
Sec theta minus 1, sec theta plus 1.
हाँ, अच्छा था. What is the answer? Anybody can help. Ira, your team.
Just only, I forgot.
Okay, just
Wait,
on.
tell the answer or give a clue?
Just give a hint. Just give a hint.
Alright.
Quickly, quickly. Okay, I will give a hint. It is in the form of A minus B, A plus B. What is the identity of that? Miracle.
AB.
No. A minus B, A plus B. What is the identity? A square minus B square. Miracle. So now sec theta minus 1, sec theta plus 1 will become
Sec square.
x square
X
theta
square
minus
1. 1.
minus 1. So what is the identity of that? Sec square theta minus 1 is equals to?
A square B square.
No. Identity. Three main identity. Sec square theta minus 1 is. Come on. Sec square theta minus 1. When you will go in sunlight, you will say, oh, I got dash. When you go in sunlight, you will say, oh, I got dash. Tan square theta. When you go in sunlight, you say, oh, I got tan. I got tan on my skin. That's tan square theta. So, yeah. So, team A 0. Okay. Now, next, Betya. Betya, are you there?
Uh-huh.
1 plus cosec theta, 1 minus cosec theta. What is the answer?
Cot square theta?
No.
See, this is a form of 1 plus cosec theta, 1 minus cosec theta. So what is the minus of this? What is the minus of the answer that you just said? What is, please see, because
Cot square. Sorry, cot theta, na?
I said the minus of
Come on, Betya, quickly.
Cot theta.
No.
okay, then I'll tell.
Okay, take tell.
Okay, so it's basically minus cot square theta.
Yes, minus cot square theta. How? See, 1 minus 3, 1 plus 3 become 1 square minus cosec square theta. Okay. So we know that 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. So now this will go this side and this will go this side. So it will become 1 minus cosec square theta is equals to minus cot square. Did you understand? Okay, so Edric will get 1 point. Okay, Ira, last question. What is the formula for uh, what is the answer of tan theta plus cot theta? What is the answer of tan theta plus cot theta? Okay, Ira and Edric both is the same answer. Same question. What is the answer of tan theta plus cot?
So tan theta plus cot theta is basically 1 upon sin theta cos theta.
Very good. How? See, tan theta can be written as sin theta upon cos theta. Cot theta can be written as cos theta upon sin theta. Now I have to make the denominator same. I have to multiply this sin theta up and down. It will become sin square theta. Same with the cos square theta upon sin theta dot cos theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 upon sin theta dot cos theta. This is the answer. Okay, so today the winner is team B. Okay. So everyone, please remember the formula. Miracle, what happened today? You forgot the formula? Hmm? Yesterday you learned all the formulas. Today you forgot. What happened? Okay, cool, no problem. Okay, Justin, you have a doubt? Yes, please ask me.
So the first question in yesterday's homework, CYP 20.5, question number 5.
Okay, just give me a second.
Yeah, I was also having doubt. Like, help in like this.
I asked Jahan
Okay.
to help me and he solved it, but I was not able to figure out how to put it down in the way that it's supposed
Okay.
to be down.
Okay, no problem. Tell me the question again. CYP.
22.5, question number 5.
Question number 5.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I will do that. Everyone has same doubt? Petya, Joshua, you're not giving me the homework.
So I'm trying to finish the previous class's homework because I didn't attend it that time. I'll send
Then
it.
it will pile up.
Yes, sir, I'll send it.
Okay, this is the question, guys. So now everyone please pay attention. Don't see here and there or don't write anything. Just listen and see on the board. Ida, you did this question? No?
I did something.
You write something. Okay. So now, first of all, I will ask this question from Jashwan. Jashwan, in the numerator side, what is common?
Sine theta.
So sine theta. So can I take out sine theta outside? So how it will become? It will become sine theta is equals to 1 upon 1 plus cos theta. Now, why 1 came? Because if nothing is there, then because this sine theta is out. If nothing is there, then 1 will automatically come. Okay, did you understand me rightly? Yes? Joshua, did you understand? And the same way, this sine theta is also out. So it becomes 1 upon 1 minus cos theta. This is the first step. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no?
Like how that one came?
See, this sine theta, because I take out common. So in taking out the common, if sine theta is out, then if nothing is there, because this sine theta is out and
Yeah.
nothing is left. If nothing is left, then 1 will automatically come. In the same way, here also sine theta is out. If nothing is there, 1 will automatically come. Did you understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now I have to make the denominator same because the denominator are different. How will you make the denominator same? Tell me, miracle. How will you make the denominator same?
Like my 1 by 1 multiplied by 1 minus cos theta.
Like the second denominator, the second fraction of the denominator will multiply with both numerator and denominator. Like that, you are trying to say?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So this will multiply with both, and this will also be multiplied with both. Did you understand? So how it will become 1 minus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta upon, because now both the denominator are same and they both will multiply. It's gonna be like this: 1 plus cos theta multiplied by 1 minus cos theta. Did you understand what I did? Miracle. I am repeating
Yeah.
again. This will multiply with both up and down. This will multiply with both up and down.
Yeah, I understood.
Okay. Okay. Or you can do one more thing. This will multiply with this. This will multiply with this, and they both will multiply. Okay. 1 minus cos theta will multiply with this one. 1 plus cos theta will multiply with this one, and they both will multiply like that. Did you understand, Miracle? Both are the same thing.
Yeah.
Now you can see that just around 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta is there. So minus cos theta and plus cos theta will equal to 0. So this and this will cut, make it 0. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So it becomes 2. Did you understand? Yes or no? Miracle, you didn't answer anything. Yes, Miracle, ask me.
Yeah, I understood, sir.
Okay. So now it is 2 sine theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Now just shown. The denominator is in the form of a plus b, a minus b, like 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. What is the answer of that?
1.
Now, a plus b, a minus b, what is the answer?
A square minus B square.
Which will become? Which will become?
1 minus cos square theta.
Yes. The 2 sine theta was already there in the numerator, and 1 minus cos square theta it will become. So it will become 2 sine theta. Now, what is the answer of 1 minus cos square theta, Jashron? You don't remember the formula?
No, sir.
Uh-huh. Okay. Ira, what is 1 minus cos square theta? See, square theta plus square. You got it? See, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Jashron? Okay. Now, if I will send this to that side, what will come? Sine square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. So it means that 1 minus cos square theta will equals to, tell it.
Sine square theta.
Ah. So sine square theta. Now this sine theta and this square will get. Why? Because sine square theta means, if I will make one more step, sine square theta means writing this thing 2 times. Like sine theta multiplied by sine theta. So one sine theta and one sine theta will cut. Remaining behind 2 upon sine
Sine
theta.
theta. Yeah.
Now what is 1 upon sine theta? Cosec theta.
Yeah.
And already there should become 2 cosec theta. And 3. It is what, no? Did you understand, guys? To ask me.
Yes.
That's too easy, sir.
Yeah. Joshua, you didn't understand? Please ask me, beta.
Understood, sir.
More doubts, Joshua? Miracle, doubt?
No, sir.
Ira, doubt? Petya? Yeah, next question. Any question? You guys have doubt?
No, sir.
Any question? Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
in the 2 sine theta by sine theta into sine theta, can we cut the other sine theta also?
Which part, beta? Which part?
The 2 sine theta by sine theta into sine theta. Why
Yeah,
can't
we
we?
can cut. We can
Okay.
cut. But guys, if in between, if it is a plus sign, okay, if it is a plus sign, then you can't cut. Why? Because now in the denominator there are two terms are there. Did you understand? Miracle. Okay. So like sine theta into sine theta, then sine theta and sine theta will cut.
Sir,
Hmm.
but even if it was plus, it also we could have cut because it become 2 sine theta into sine theta plus sine theta. It become 2 sine theta
No,
divided
I
by
am
2 sine
no no.
theta equal to 1.
I am trying to say, if for example, if it is written as like that, if it is like if it is written like that, sine theta plus cos theta. If it isn't like that, then you can't cut. Okay, you can't cut with sine theta with this sine theta because two terms are there. Did you understand, Miracle? It should be in multiplication. One term should be there. Okay, so it will be like that. Okay. Now next question, which we will do. This one. This is little bit complicated, but it's easy to understand. Please try to understand. I will write it down first, and then you guys understand it and then solve it. Okay. And this is one of the important question also. Okay. Now this is the question. Please, guys, don't write anything. I will solve it on the board, and then you solve it. Okay. Okay. Now everyone, please pay attention. Tan theta plus sec theta minus 1, tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. This is the question. Okay. कौन सी चाहिए किताब? Okay. So now 1 plus, everyone please pay attention. 1 plus tan square theta can be written as sec square theta. This is the identity. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
So can I write as like this? Sec square theta minus tan square theta. 1 can be written as sec square theta minus tan square theta. Can I write it like this? And can I substitute the value here? Only here. Okay. Did you understand, Miracle? No, you didn't understand anything. Okay. Everyone, please pay attention. So it will become like this. Tan theta plus sec theta minus sec square theta minus tan square theta upon tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. This is the question. Okay. Did you understand?
Yes.
Now this minus sign is there. Okay. So can I multiply this minus sign with both the numbers so the minus will become plus and the plus will become minus? Did you understand? So what will be the next step? The next step will be tan theta plus sec theta. Now the plus minus tan square theta will become plus tan square theta. So plus tan square theta minus sec square theta. Did you understand? Yes or no? Any problem in that? Okay. And the denominator will remain same as tan theta minus sec theta plus 1.
Why not substitute this one with also sec square theta minus tan square theta? Why not substitute that?
Because it will make things complicated. Okay, it will make things complicated. I will tell you why. Yes,
Sir, in
Miracle.
the upper part, in the bracket, sec square theta minus tan square theta, and in the down, it is written tan square theta minus sec square theta. How it is changed? Like,
This is this minus sign, na? This minus sign multiply with both the terms. So the plus become minus and the minus become plus. Did you understand?
yeah.
Now, 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 now it is in the form of a square minus b square. What is the identity of that? What is the identity of a square minus b square?
A plus B and A minus B.
So can I write it like this? Tan theta plus sec theta and tan theta minus sec theta. Did you understand, guys, what I did? Please ask me.
Yeah, sir, I understood.
Okay. Now in this, what I will do? Okay, so I have these two terms. Okay, I have these two terms, one term and this whole is second term. So can you check that what is the common between them? What is the common between them?
Tan theta
Say,
plus
say, say. Tan theta plus sec theta. So can I take out common as tan theta plus sec theta? So
Yeah.
tan theta plus sec theta. Now from this term, this whole term is out. This whole term is out. Nothing is left. So what will remain
Yes.
behind? Only one. Only one
Yeah.
will be there. Plus, now in this whole term is out. So what is remain behind? Tan theta minus sec theta. Tan theta minus sec theta upon tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Did you understand what I did, guys? Joshua, from these two terms, one term and the second term, this tan theta plus sec theta is out, totally out. So with this is totally out, so remaining behind this whole will remain as 1 and this will remain as tan theta minus sec theta. Did you understand? Yes? So now this whole term will cut with this whole term because they both are same. How? This is plus 1. Minus sec theta. Tan theta. The whole term is same. Did you understand? Now what is
Yeah.
remain behind? The remain behind is only tan theta
Plus sec
plus,
theta.
yes, correct. Tan theta plus sec theta. Now tan theta can be written as sine theta upon
Yeah.
cos theta and sec theta can be written as 1 upon cos theta. Now both the denominator is already same, so it will become sine theta plus 1 upon cos theta because the denominator is already same. I don't have to multiply it. Did you understand,
Yeah.
Miracle?
Yes.
That I have to solve. I got the answer. Like we have to solve this, and I solved it. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Guys, any problem? And I request you guys, please don't see and write it down. First, understand on the board and then do it by yourself while writing it. Okay, don't copy it. First, understand it and then write it down.
Six.
Done, sir.
Okay. Any problem?
No, sir. Easy questions.
Okay. So now we'll do the next question. Put a heading rationalization.
I'm not exactly done. Could you just 2 minutes?
Okay, okay. I get it.
Yes, I'm done.
Okay. Now I will do one more question. Okay. Okay, we'll do one more type of question. This is the question. Guys. Okay. So now this is different type of questions. Everyone, please pay attention. In this question, guys, we have to do rationalization. Rationalization. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Rationalization means we have to rationalize the value. Now, what do you mean by rationalization? Rationalization basically, if the question is in the form of 1 minus sine theta upon root of 1 plus sine theta, if it is written like that, so we have to do one step. Everyone, please pay attention. Don't go here and there, otherwise you will not able to understand. Okay. Now, what is in the denominator side? Miracle. 1 root of 1 plus sine theta.
Yeah.
Root of
Yeah.
1 sine theta. So if in the middle, if plus sign is there, we have to multiply it with minus. If plus sign is there, we have to multiply it with minus. And if minus sign is there, we have to multiply it with plus.
Plus.
Did you understand? So what will I write? I will do rationalization like this. Root of 1 minus sine theta upon root of 1 minus sine theta.
Plus minus it. Okay.
No, it is minus. It is called as rationalization. Like minus plus sign is there. I have to change the sign and I have to write all the things. Did you understand, guys? No, Jashwan, please ask me. Got it? Okay. Now because the root is there, so I will make the root same, and it is in the form of 1 minus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta. 1 plus sine theta into 1
Wha-
minus.
1 minus sine theta.
Did you understand what I did? Please pay attention.
Yeah.
If you didn't, please ask me. Okay. So now it is. Can I write it like a minus b, a minus b? So what is a minus b multiplied by a minus b?
A minus B
A.
whole square.
Yes, a minus b multiplied by a minus b will become a minus b whole square. Did you understand? Yes or no?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
and with the denominator it's a minus a plus b, a minus b. What is the answer of that? A plus b, a minus b. A into
A square minus B square.
and a minus will become a square minus b square. Did you understand? Yes or
Yeah.
no?
Yeah.
Okay. So can I write it like this? 1 minus sine theta whole square upon 1 square minus sine square theta. Did you understand, guys? You no,
Yeah.
didn't understand. Please ask me, guys. Okay, why I write this? 1 minus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta. I just wrote a minus b into a minus b is a minus b whole square. So I wrote 1 minus sine theta whole square. And 1 square minus sine square, why it become? Because a plus b, a minus b become a square minus b square, which is 1 square minus sine square theta. Did you understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Now,
Yeah.
many students do this mistakes that they will cut this square with this. No, you can't cut it. You can't cut this because there are two terms are there, 1 and 2.
Same for the first
But in the numerator,
The first one also same
but
thing.
in the numerator, yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. In the numerator, there is a whole one term. It's called as whole square. Whole square means the whole. If whole square is there, then you can cut it. But if term has a square, you can't cut it. Did you understand? Yes or no? I'm repeating again. If whole square is there, then you can cut it with this root. But if single square is there, you can't cut it. You have to do something
Yeah.
else. Okay. So you can simply cut this 2 with this whole root. मुझे भी आ रही है इसमें. Okay. And then it will become like this. 1 minus sine
Sine
theta
theta.
and
Root.
upon 1 square
Yeah.
minus sine square theta.
Theta. Yeah.
Okay. Now it is in the form of 1 minus sine square theta. What is the answer of that? Cos square theta. 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. So 1 minus sine theta upon root of cos square theta.
Now can you cut the square?
Now it's again. Now, yes. Now you can cut because only one term is there. One single term is there. That's one. So it will become 1 minus sine
Sine
theta
theta upon
upon.
cos theta.
This is the
Cos
answer.
theta.
Remember, it's given cos theta into 1 plus sine theta.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll change it because I will do in that format.
But sir, like if you do it in another format, will you get the other answer?
I will. No. I will do it. I will do that thing also. No problem. Did you understand, guys?
Yeah.
Write it down.
Basically, 1 minus sine theta the root of 1 minus sine theta, and it can become 1 minus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta upon 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta.
Yes.
Sine theta.
Okay, done.
Yeah, done. But how then you're getting wait. So why not
Yeah, I will do the next part. I will do the next part. Just give me a second.
Done, sir.
Okay. So now as we need. So 1 minus sine theta upon cos theta is saying, and Edric saying, sir, we need this cos theta upon 1 plus sine theta. So from this, what we can do, after this, I will multiply this with 1 plus sine theta upon 1 plus sine theta. Did you understand? Now it is in the form of a minus b, a plus b. Did you understand? It is in the form of a
Yeah.
minus b, a plus b. That will become a square minus b square
Square.
upon cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. Do you understand? So no. Now 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta upon
Yeah.
cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. Now this cos theta and this cos theta ka square will cut. So it will remain
Cut.
behind cos theta upon 1 plus
1
sin
plus.
theta. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is how it will come. Edric, did you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after this, you guys have 4 minutes break, and then we will start our science class. And the homework is whatever the question we did in the class, you have to do it again at your homework copy.
Okay.
Okay, this is your homework. Not other than questions, so that you can revise it and you can practice it. So after 4 minutes, we will have our science class.
Ma. 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 I. Ma. Yeah.
Okay, guys, come back.
Hi, I'm back.
Very good.
Sir, is that class tomorrow?
Yes, there will be class. There will be class. Why? Why you are asking this?
I'm losing track of when the tests are.
Okay, press. Now there will be no test till 9 October. And after that, I will make a thing like what test we will have. And then we will do the test. Okay, now till yesterday, we learn about the Newton's law of octaves. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa. Okay. Today we will learn about Mendeleev's law of periodic table. So basically, yesterday we learned that they arrange in increasing atomic masses. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? And they find some relation. With keeping this idea, Mendeleev, who was the pre successful of a periodic table, he also keep this foundation in this table, and the foundation is in keeping the increasing atomic masses. Did you understand? So so he also kept he also kept his periodic table based on the increasing atomic masses. Who? Mendeleev. Did you understand? And he gave Mendeleev periodic table. So you can see that uh, Dmitry Mendeleev, it is also called as Mendeleev, a Russian chemist who at that time when he was doing, there was 63 known elements. Right now we know 118 elements. Na? At that time it was 63. And he properly arranged all 63 elements in his Mendeleev periodic table. Did you understand? No, you didn't understand anything. Yes, Jashwan, please ask me. Hmm? So, in the time of Mendeleev, there was 63 known element was there, and he arranged all 63 known elements in his Mendeleev periodic table. Okay, so 63 elements known at the time of their compound. On arranging the elements in the increasing order of atomic masses, he observed that the elements with the similar properties occur in periodically. Now, basically, there are two terms that you're gonna listen. First is period. So period goes from left to right. Period goes from left to right. The second is group. Group goes from up to down. Group goes from up to down, and period goes from left to right. Did you understand? Yes or no? Okay. Period goes from left to right, and group goes from up to down. Okay, so now this is very important part. I request Edric, please read this slowly. This periodic law, the Mendeleev periodic law. Can you read this from here, please?
In 1869, he stated this observation in the form of the following statement, which is known as the Mendeleev's periodic law.
Mm.
The chemical and physical properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic masses. A periodic
Means, what
function.
does this mean? Listen. What does this mean? This means that the chemical and physical properties of the elements is periodic function. It's a periodicity, means it's a trend. It depends on their atomic masses. He made this law in his periodic law. And with the help of this law, he arranged his atomic numbers. He arranged his elements in the form of periods and groups. Did you understand? So you can read this, Edric, this Mendeleev periodic table. Yes. Please read this.
A periodic function is the one which repeats itself after a certain interval. Mendeleev arranged the elements in the form of a table which is known as the Mendeleev's periodic table.
Hmm.
Mendeleev's
So,
periodic.
hmm.
Mendeleev arranged the elements in the increasing order of the atomic masses in horizontal rows till he came across an element whose properties were similar to those of the first element. Then he
Hmm.
placed the element below the first element and started the second row of elements.
Hmm.
The success
So
of
Mendeleev arranged the increasing atomic masses in the form of horizontal rows, not groups. I'm repeating horizontal rows, like sodium, magnesium, aluminium, like this, and in the way of atomic masses, he arranged it. Okay, so this is how Mendeleev periodic table happened. So I will show you. Okay, so you can check that there's a hydrogen whose atomic mass is 1.008. Okay, then there is helium. Where's the helium?
there's no helium in this because that time helium didn't exist.
Because helium was not there, so that's why helium was not there. Then he arranged the second: lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, sodium, magnesium. Like this, he arranged in the atomic, increasing atomic masses. Did you
Sir,
understand? Yes.
in column 8, can we add helium? Because helium was on there.
Yes, we can. We can aid. Okay, now listen. So, what is the main feature of Mendeleev periodic table? The first is elements are arranged in the form of rows and columns. So you can see that the rows and columns are there. The rows and columns are there. So, Mendeleev periodic table is arranged in the form of rows and columns. Now, second is the horizontal rows are called as periods, and there are 6 periods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 periods are there. Okay, and they are in the form of Arabic numerals. Each one of fourth, fifth, and sixth has 2 series. You can see, check that the fourth period has 2 elements in one row and column. Okay, in one box. You can check that copper and potassium and copper, calcium and zinc, strontium and gallium, uh, titanium and germanium.
Vanadium.
What is V?
Vanadium.
Vanadium and arsenic. So like this, you can check that these all are in the one box. Did you understand? Yes or no? Vertical columns are represented in the group. So you can check that these are the groups. Going up to down is the group. So group 1 has helium, lithium, sodium, potassium, copper, rubidium, cesium, silver, gold. So you can check that these are all the in one group. Okay, so like this one groups 1 to 8 group and 1 to 6 columns, 1 to 6 rows, which is called as periods. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Okay. Properties of a given period shows in regular gradation, increase or decrease from left to right. So you can check that there is some trends that is found. Okay, what's the trend it found? So you can check that this lithium is highly electron donor. Means he donate electron easily. Okay, and the fluorine, like helium, then beryllium is electron donor, but not more than the lithium. Okay, boron is also electron donor, but not more than beryllium and lithium. Okay, now here carbon, sorry, nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine, they are the electron receiver, and the fluorine is the most electron receiver.
Okay. So basically, lithium, beryllium, and boron, they will give electron, then nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine will get electron. So what about carbon?
Carbon share electron.
Because carbon is covalent bonding.
Yeah, carbon always share electron. So how it will become, I will show you in the in coming chapters. Okay, so group 1 to 7 has further A to B subgroup. However, the group 8 contains 3 elements in 3 periods. Okay, group 8 has only 3 elements in 3 periods, like iron, cobalt, nickel, rubidium,
Ruthenium,
rhodium,
palladium,
uh, palladium, and
osmium,
OF,
iridium, platinum.
yes, good. So these all are in the eighth group. Okay, having 3 C. Okay. Okay. Now classification of all the elements. So uh, there is a first merit was the Mendeleev was that he arranged all the 63 elements in the periodic table. Did you understand? He arranged all the 63 elements in a periodic table. Okay. Now second is correction of atomic masses. Okay, he corrected some atomic masses also. Okay, when he was arranging it, okay, like beryllium was coming in after that. Okay, but when he arranged it, he is finding out that beryllium properties are not related to that. So then he recalculated the beryllium atomic mass, and he found out that beryllium atomic mass was wrong. So he corrected his some of the atomic masses on basis on his table, because when he arranging it, he's not getting property in a group, because in a group the properties are same. In a group the properties are same. Okay, in the group the properties are same. So when he's doing beryllium, he's putting beryllium instead of boron place. And when he's putting in boron trace, the beryllium and aluminum, because group properties are similar, no? So beryllium, aluminum, their properties are not mixing. They are not same. So he recalculated the beryllium atomic mass, and he find it out that now the beryllium atomic mass is not more than boron, but it is less than boron. And he placed in this group, and he find it out that now they have the similar properties. So with the help of his atomic periodic table, he corrected some of the atomic masses also. Did you understand, Joshua?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Joshua, did you understand? Okay. Now he predicts some new elements will also discover. He knows like all 63 elements was arranged, but he knows that also that after in the future there are some elements will also known, and he leave that places also in the form of eka silicon, eka boron. Okay, so he leave some places for the new elements we're gonna discover in the future, and literally, like he leave the place some named elements called as eka silicon, and we found it out the new elements in the form of germanium, which is has the same properties of eka silicon. So what he predicted in his time is true in the future, become true. Did you listen?
Okay, so what year was this? 1863? Like,
Yeah, 1869.
okay.
Okay. And he also leave for one place for eka boron. And literally the eka boron was scandium. Okay. So he in his time he leave that place, eka boron. Okay. But at the time now, that eka boron is basically scandium. Eka aluminium is called as gallium.
Eka,
Gallium.
Eka. Eka means one. See, ek means one, no? So eka means one. One position below.
Did you understand? And with the help of with the help of Mandel's table also, we are able to find the valency. Now, what is valency? What do you mean by valency? We will learn in the next coming chapter. I'm not coming chapter. Tomorrow only we will learn about valency, atomic mass, and atomic number, both deeply. Did you understand, guys? Okay. We will learn tomorrow. We will learn. No problem.
Yeah.
Okay. Now this table also got rejected because it has some defects. What are the defects? First is position of hydrogen. Now you can check that the hydrogen is placed in the first group. Can you check that this hydrogen is placed in first group? Now I told you like boron, aluminium, scandium, gallium, indium. These all have the similar type of property. Now if hydrogen is in the first group, then it should also have similar type of property with lithium, sodium, potassium. But it wasn't true. It was not true. Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, they don't have similar property. So first defect is that he placed hydrogen in first group, but it doesn't have the similar property with the first group elements. Did you understand, guys? Joshua, did you understand?
Basically,
Now,
like, so basically the hydrogen doesn't have properties, but you still place it in the first group.
yeah, first group. Now, second is position of isotopes. Okay. So first of all, we will learn about what is isotope. Okay, we can do one thing. Um, you guys just have that thing, no? So the chapter got. Okay, guys, we'll stop here only. Okay, because tomorrow I will taught you about isotopes. First, we will learn about the atom. What do you mean by atom? What is the number of atoms, electrons, protons? We will learn again. We will revise it again, and then tomorrow we'll learn about isotopes and isobars. So, Adric, when we will join the science class, first, please remind me that, sir, please teach us about atom first. Then we will do this part. Because if I will tell you right now, na, you will not get anything because you don't know about atom.
I know. I know what is isotope.
Yeah, you know everything. I know. We know. Okay, but still everyone has to learn. Na. That's why we will learn
Miraculin
first.
doesn't know. Miraculin doesn't know.
Yeah, everyone doesn't know. Okay, even Betty doesn't know. Joshua doesn't know. Nobody knows. But we will learn. Okay. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay. So tomorrow we will learn first that thing and then we will do the next part. So any problem in that? Any problem what I taught today? Any problem in this? Please read it. Please do it again because in the coming test we will take this chapter test also. Okay, Miracle, you have to be prepared for this test. Okay. Okay, so we'll stop our classes. I hope you enjoyed the class till then. Bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Tata Shabak here. Sayo now.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye,
Bye,
Shweta.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.